Hi folks, this is a very quick recording about, as you know, I specialise in actuarial sort of risk management, as I'm always harping on about Sherrod Roberts' sort of critical evaluation and extreme value measurement, value at risk rather than statistical value at risk. And extreme value is a form of statistics, but it's not normal distribution statistics. It's extreme value distributions and that sort of thing. And to drive it home, even though I criticise fundamentals and technicals, I'm going to do a few videos to show where they can be used. Now, I've been trading since 1987, so there's a lot of inbuilt knowledge that I don't need to do this sort of thing very often anymore, only if I'm suspicious. And technicals I don't really need. As I said, most people, they're just for engagement or to grip them, They're not really helpful at all. Although, to a certain extent, they can be used, and I'll show that in the video. I tend to be a bit hypercritical. Sorry, the guy next door's got a whippersnapper. It's recording. Anyway, I'm just going to show you this. I was looking for a cheap stock to buy options on because I'm an option trader. Maybe delta hedge, whatever. Buy some shares over it. I was actually looking to do a short put spread because the market in general at the moment is going up, and I'm trying to look for cheaper stocks. I didn't want to buy big indexes, and I haven't had much success. And here's an example, Palantir, which is a very liquid stock. It's on Tasty Trade's liquid stock category here, if I can show it. Palantir Technology shares, 12.9 IV rank. It's not the IV is not. If IV really represented risk, as they say, the IV would be way up. It doesn't represent risk. It represents the fashion and taste. I haven't got any positions, so I won't look at positions. You can see I'm not doing real well at the moment. It's gone down the end of trade. Bugger. Oh well. Anyway, Palantir is on the liquid symbols of Tasty Trade. And it's 1827. It was a good candidate. I remember trading successfully 5 or 6 years ago, but it was even dodgy then as to the financial background. So that's what triggered me to have a bit of a look at its financial basis. And a quick using the Altman Z score, I'm not sure what, with Market XLS, which is available on my buymeacoffee.com, a license, a discount, I put in the statistics and you can see that it's minus 0.75. There is a high chance of bankruptcy. Now, it's been around and it's been trading badly for a long time. And as Keynes said, the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. So, don't hold out that they'll go bankrupt tomorrow. They could just rattle on with borrowed money like Amazon did for 20 years or almost, and then maybe pull out. What there really is a chance of, and this is for those who are into risk arbitrage in the sense of takeovers and mergers, seeing as it's going financially bad, they may need a lifeline of cash infusion, and someone may offer to buy them out. That could be a strategy worth looking into, but that's not how I trade. I'm not an arb trader generally in that fashion, but for those inclined it could be. But as you can see, it's really badly the chances of bankruptcy are high. It's not a good stock. But as you can see on Tasty Trade, where is it? It's really quite popular. We'll have a look at 32 days, weekly, monthly. Look at the monthly, and it's liquid. I mean, there's only one cent between the bid and the ask. Or 3 cents there. It's quite a liquid share. A few more there. People are really trading it. It needs hundreds of thousands of trades to be that liquid. Quite a big volume. And it probably will be worth seeing whether the volume's going down. Sorry about the noise, I can't stop it, so I better sign off, okay?